Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to create your own My Journey of Growth video using Dreamface. It's super easy, totally beginner friendly, and the best part, it's free to start. Okay, let's get started. First, if you don't have Dreamface yet, just go ahead and download it from the Play Store. And once it's installed, just open the app and then simply log in with using your Google account. And don't worry, Dreamface will give you a free package that includes weekly credits and a limited number of video or image generations per day. So yes, you can totally use it without paying anything. Okay, after you log in, you will land on the homepage like this, and then just tap on lifetime video, this one, just tap on it, and then from the list of templates, just choose My Journey of Growth, this one, just tap on it, and then just try now. This is the one that automatically generates a beautiful timeline style video that showing your personal transformations. Now just tap on upload to upload your photos. And then just select your photo, at least 2 photos, but you can add more if you like. And for the best result, just pick a clear front facing photos. And once you're done, select the photo. Just confirm your photos. Just click confirm. And next you can also choose a background music that you like. But in this tutorial I will just keep it the original one. And after that just click on create. And okay, that's it. In just a few moments, your My Journey of Growth video is ready. And I think the video is good enough. And then if you want to download it, just click on download and your video is ready to share. And okay, there you have it. With just a few taps, you can create your very own transformation video. It's easy, fast, and completely free using Dreamface. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.